Eli tyala lingena kusuku lwesithathu kwaye umkhuseli woluntu uthi le miqathango imisiweyo yiPhalamende ayihambisani nomgaqo-siseko.
The persons whose basic conditions of employment, so to speak, were being changed were not even consulted. That's why she just read about these rules like everyone else in the paper, let alone the fact that she read about her own, how they were being applied to her also in the paper. So consultation, which is an element of public participation, was not adhered to.
Eminye imibutho ecele ukungenelela kweli tyala ithi iPhalamende inalo igunya lokumphanda uMkhwebane.
It is the person that appoints you, the body that appoints you, that plays a role in ensuring that you had all of the qualifications and satisfied the criteria for who we want the public protector to be. That is the body that then assesses whatever conduct has been raised about you against those qualifications in the event that there's been a loss of confidence and removal becomes a possibility.
Eli tyala lisaqhuba de uLwesihlanu. Ulelani Philip, SABC News eKapa.